Welcome! In this video we will look at a sonata in G minor by Cimarosa. Let me play the beginning of this piece. And so on, okay? So these are the first maybe 12 measures. So we start here with the tempo is andantino, so not too fast, rather slow. But very elegant, okay? So this is this. And then staccato, legato. And then here, diminuendo, I would to start again the new phrase, and then making maybe an echo. So first time maybe not too quiet, mezzo forte maybe. Diminuendo and piano. So after these 8 measures, the first section ends, we have a rest, and then we start a new section. Now we are in relative majors, okay? So not G minor, but we're going to B major, B flat major, sorry. And always keep in mind the ending of the phrase is should be not with an accent. Okay, one more time. And then we have. Okay, so now we have a diminished chord, so even more tension. Grace note. So this is always like kind of a dialogue. So, and then answer, and then again a question, and then answer. Okay, one more time. This is measure 17 with upbeat. Diminuendo, crescendo, diminuendo. Okay, and then we have here crescendo going to forte, to F major. And now we have so here, sorry, it's of course B flat, yeah. So in 25 we have, so at least in my score, only time where we have really forte. Okay, and here grace note before the note, and then, or maybe, but this is up to you if you start the bass note with the grace note or with the last note. Okay, one more time from here. So here we have a little bit of different rhythm. Okay, so this is measure 28. And the same that we had here, now an octave lower and piano. Okay, and here when you play this sixth interval, I use 4-1 and 5-2, but in my score is 4-1, 5-1. If your hand is big enough, this is more comfortable. Okay, and this is the end of the first section. And now we have this. What is this? It's the beginning again. Okay, so. And again beginning, but piano. Here we go to a new section. This staccato notes very gently, and of course in piano, because this is accompaniment. And here I wouldn't change my finger, I wouldn't play, because so you have better control, and it's very slow, so andantino. One more time from this section. This is measure 50. Okay, and then here we have this cadenzas. So maybe from measure 54 again. Mezzo forte. Okay, now we have it in different key. Okay, so we had it in G major. And now we are going to F. F major. Slower. So it's always this dialogue between this part and this more quiet one. Okay, one more time from this F major section, starting from 59. Okay, and then we modulate again to B major, but here, so here we are actually in G minor back. Okay, so one more time in measure 66, and now we have to be more careful, because we are playing two notes to play them together. So we know this stuff already from beginning. Okay, so first we had this one octave higher in piano. And now mezzo forte. Piano. And here I take this B flat in my left hand. So this is measure 77, so that I have more time to switch to the upper part of the keyboard. Okay, one more time, one measure before 77. Okay, so here I have more time to go to the B flat with my third finger. Cadenza, last cadenza. We finish in G minor. Okay, so this was my tutorial / lesson on a sonata in G minor by Cimarosa. If you like this video, please give the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.